In the heart of Queensland, Australia, an immense agricultural landscape awakens.
Here, rows upon rows of sugarcane, reaching over 12 feet high, stand ready for harvest. This is the starting point for millions of tons of sugar, a vital crop cultivated on an industrial scale. As the sun climbs, the energy of the day begins to build, preparing the fields for the sheer scale of this operation is staggering, a testament to modern agricultural engineering.
The gentle morning breeze whispers through the cane, a silent promise of the day's bounty.
The land itself, rich and fertile, forms the foundation of this vast agricultural enterprise. The very soil beneath our feet holds the promise of this extraordinary yield. This is where it all begins, a sprawling canvas of nature and technology, ready for the day's work to commence.
As the day progresses, the true giants of the field awaken.
At midday, the true titans of the field come to life.
Its immense tires grip the earth, providing the traction needed for this demanding task.
Sophisticated hydraulics and robust engineering enable these machines to operate with formidable strength.
At the forefront, the primary cutting drums prepare to engage the crop.
With a roar of power, the harvester advances, ready to claim the field's harvest.
This colossal machine relentlessly consumes the cane, transforming the landscape. Behind the controls, a skilled operator expertly navigates this mechanical behemoth. Each stalk is expertly gripped and drawn into the machine, commencing the processing. The processed cane is then expelled upwards, ready for collection. Unwanted materials are efficiently separated and ejected, ensuring purity. From above, the harvester's methodical march across the field is a sight of sheer industrial might. The result of the initial cut, a torrent of perfectly processed cane billets. Behind it, a clear path marks the machine's progress, a clean cut through the abundance. Often, multiple harvesters work in unison, accelerating the process and maximizing yield.
With its capacity full, the harvester pauses, its monumental task in this section complete.
With the harvester full, the crucial transfer to transport begins. The harvester's high-capacity elevator arm is key to this rapid transfer. A torrent of cane fills the bin, a testament to the harvester's efficiency. The first bin is filled to capacity, signaling the moment for the next transfer. The tractor expertly maneuvers, ensuring the next empty bin is perfectly positioned for an immediate refill. The process resumes instantly as the harvester's elevator arm swings over the waiting bin. A powerful stream of harvested cane begins to fill the bin, a visual representation of the day's productivity. The bin fills steadily, its capacity rapidly reaching its limit. With the bin full, the harvesting process pauses momentarily, awaiting the next transport. The tractor immediately positions the next empty bin, ensuring the harvesting cycle continues without delay. Once filled, the full bins are quickly collected, forming part of a much larger logistical chain.
This dance between harvester and tractor is repeated countless times, ensuring a continuous flow of raw material.
Deciding the specialized cane train awaits its cargo.
This robust tipper mechanism is designed for efficiency and durability.
Each carriage is securely coupled, forming a long, continuous train.
The locomotive, a powerhouse of industrial design, prepares to pull this immense load. With a signal given, the journey from field to mill is about to commence. With a mighty groan of powerful machinery, the train begins its inexorable journey.
Across the landscape, the train, a serpent of industry, begins its steady progress.
Each mile covered represents a vital link in the chain, transporting the raw sweetness to its transformation.
The train races across the land, a testament to the efficiency of industrial transportation.
The destination, the sugar mill, appears on the horizon, marking the end of this crucial transport phase.
With a mighty groan of powerful machinery, the train begins its inexorable journey. Across the landscape, the train, a serpent of industry, begins its steady progress.
Each mile covered represents a vital link in the chain, transporting the raw sweetness to its transformation. The train races across the land, a testament to the efficiency of industrial transportation. The destination, the sugar mill, appears on the horizon, marking the end of this crucial transport phase.
The destination is reached, the sugar mill, a monument to industrial processing.
The locomotive's immense power brings the train to a controlled halt, its brakes hissing with released pressure. A dedicated mechanism positions each carriage precisely within the massive rotary tippler. Powerful hydraulic clamps engage, ensuring the carriage is held securely for the inversion process. The entire cage rotates, a mesmerizing display of mechanical might as it inverts the carriage. At the apex of its rotation, the carriage inverts, releasing its precious cargo. A spectacular cascade of cane floods onto the conveyor belt, a river of sweetness beginning its mill journey. This conveyor belt acts as the artery, transporting the raw cane into the heart of the mill.
The tippler resets itself, ready for the next carriage in the train.
The train advances, continuing its vital role in supplying the mill with its raw material. This raw harvest, now liberated, begins its passage through the mill. This automated dance of unloading ensures a constant supply, feeding the mill's insatiable processing needs.
The journey of the sugarcane begins here, in the heart of the crushing station.
Massive shredders, powered by immense force, begin the violent process of breaking down the cane. This fibrous material is then subjected to immense pressure by powerful steel rollers, extracting the vital sugar juice. A thick, sweet river of raw juice begins to form, the first liquid product of the cane's transformation. The sheer force applied by these rollers is astounding, designed to extract every last drop of sweetness. The journey of the sugarcane begins here, in the heart of the crushing station. Massive shredders, powered by immense force, begin the violent process of breaking down the cane. This fibrous material is then subjected to immense pressure by powerful steel rollers, extracting the vital sugar juice. A thick, sweet river of raw juice begins to form, the first liquid product of the cane's transformation. The sheer force applied by these rollers is astounding, designed to extract every last drop of sweetness. The crushing station is a marvel of engineering, a relentless engine transforming raw cane. This freshly extracted juice, rich with potential, is the very essence of the sugarcane.
From the crushing station, the raw juice enters a new phase, purification and evaporation.
First, the raw juice enters clarification vats, where impurities are encouraged to settle. Through careful settling, the juice gradually clarifies, shedding unwanted elements. This purified juice is then expertly transferred to the evaporator tanks. Within these colossal evaporators, under controlled vacuum and heat, the juice begins its transformation into syrup. These colossal evaporators, gleaming under the factory lights, are the workhorses of the purification process. Under vacuum and heat, the water content reduces, concentrating the sugar and thickening the liquid. Even in this automated environment, skilled technicians ensure the delicate balance of pressure and temperature is maintained. The juice travels through an extensive network of pipes, a silent testament to the mill's interconnected systems. Finally, the concentrated syrup emerges, a pure, golden liquid ready for its next transformation. The purified juice enters the next stage, moving through a vast network of gleaming stainless steel evaporators. Under controlled conditions, the sugar solution concentrates, thickening into a pure, golden syrup. The process moves to the crystallization floor, a crucial stage where sugar crystals are born. The concentrated syrup, a product of careful evaporation, is now introduced into the vacuum pans. Tiny seed crystals are introduced, acting as anchors for the sugar molecules to begin crystallizing. Over time, under precise conditions, these crystals grow, forming the raw sugar. The massaquite is then spun at high speed in centrifuges, separating the molasses from the pure sugar crystals. The centrifuge effectively separates the molasses, leaving behind the beautiful, pale, golden raw sugar crystals. This separated raw sugar, resembling damp sand, is now transported for the final drying stage. The sugar then enters a large rotating dryer, removing any residual moisture to ensure its stability. Finally, dry, loose sugar crystals emerge, gleaming and pure, ready for the next essential step.
The scene shifts to the automated packaging line, a bastion of hygiene and precision.
This stage takes place in a surprisingly calm environment, characterized by large, low-profile vacuum pans. The concentrated syrup undergoes crystallization, a delicate process that forms the very structure of sugar. The centrifuges yield raw sugar crystals, a granular substance resembling damp sand. This raw sugar then passes through a large rotating dryer, removing any residual moisture to ensure its quality and stability. The result is pure, dry sugar crystals, gleaming and ready for the final stages of packaging.
The process transitions to the automated packaging line, a sterile and precise environment.
Robotic arms precisely fill, weigh, and seal each bag, ensuring consistency and quality. In this clinical environment, robotic arms perform the delicate tasks of filling and weighing with utmost precision.